Hello friends, I'm in Mourya in Ongole. So in this video, I'm going to give you a room tour of the room in which we stayed in. So be with me. So this is the door through which we came in. Once we enter, this is the bed. A king size bed. Then there are two side tables on either side of the bed. There is a telephone and the AC remote and the TV remote here, and you can see the plugs and the switches are provided in the side table itself. And on this side there is this two-seater sofa, a center table, and a place to keep the luggage horse. And here is the mini bar with the kettle and tea coffee beverages station on top of the mini bar itself. This is placed on a table. This is the opposite side of the bed, and if we look at the other side of the bed, there is a mirror. Here water bottles and glasses are provided, and tissue box is provided. There is a dustbin below, and there is a wardrobe here. Nothing fancy, basic wardrobe. You can see the AC, and there is a birds painting. It's already dark. Now let's go to the bathroom. There is this full horizontal mirror and glass partition. Commode, shower, towels are provided here, and you can see the toiletries, a paste, toothbrush, soap, and a shampoo. There is a hand wash provided here, and this side is the close-up mirror. A bucket and a mug and a stool is also provided. There is a small plant placed here, towel rack with a towel, the commode, and the glass partition. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please stay with me connected by subscribing to my channel to get more updates on such videos. Thank you for watching.